Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are replacing a compressor that went bad. It's a 25-ton compressor, 25-ton package unit, and here you see the this is the one that we replaced today. That's the old one, and we did some soldering here, Obviously, we took all these little shredder valves off and out, that way we don't burn them. But the old one is right here, and it burnt. You see all that black inside? It burnt in here and leaked all the freon out through there. So this is the old one that we're replacing. It's under warranty. So that is that's the package unit. So replace the compressor, the dryer, the new freon, and call us for all your AC heating and refrigeration needs, residential and commercial. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, and again, 512-448-0532. 24/7, guys. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.